People, I've tried my hand at snowboarding and I can't do shit. 'Cause I'm a fucking putz, I'm stunad, and I'm doozy bots. It looked like it would be easy, but it's hard. So, therefore I suck. Stick to know what I know and how to do best. That's safe and easy for me, but it's challenging. Snowshoeing. So I am never coming back here to Mountain Creek in Vernon Township, New Jersey, ever again. Either Gore Mountain in North Creek, New York, up in the Adirondack Mountains, or Mount Snow up in Westover, Vermont, or Okemo Mountain in Ludlow, Vermont. Otherwise, this place here is off limits to me. But the day is not wasted. I had my lunch. It ain't too cold here, you know, and it looks very nice here. But as for me coming back here, the answer is no can do. End of story. That's the bottom line. Let me just show you all of these sites here. You see, and you see, and that's the bottom line. Okay, bye-bye. Well, you see, that's up there. It doesn't want to. Anyway, that's the sort of there. That's the bottom line. Time to stop this thing now. That's the time to stop this thing.